Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Candy Crush Saga application on your iOS device. To download the Candy Crush Saga app on iOS, first of all open the App Store from your app drawer on your iOS device. Once you open your App Store, tap the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar at the top, type in Candy Crush Saga. After typing down Candy Crush Saga, look for this application. Tap on the Get button right underneath the app. If you've downloaded it before, you might be able to see the cloud icon instead of Get. Tap on it to start your download process. You might also need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start up with the download process. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will then be able to download the application on your device. Just make sure that your device has enough storage and is connected to the internet. Once it is done, tap on the Open button and you will then be able to open Candy Crush Saga on your iOS device and start playing. Now we will be learning how to log into Candy Crush Saga. To log into Candy Crush Saga, first of all, download and open up the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Soon after you sign in, you will then end up on the main screen. Simply tap on the gear icon, which is located at the lower left corner of the screen in pink. After tapping on the gear button, this will open up the settings menu. Now in the pop-up, click on My Account. You can then choose a login method on the next page. If you want to log in with email, tap on the Login with Email option at the bottom of the screen, in which you will need to enter your King account's credential to sign in to Candy Crush Saga. You can also log in using Facebook account and Apple ID. To log in with your Facebook account and Apple ID, click on Continue with option. Now, choose one of the login methods you would like to use to sign in to Candy Crush Saga. To log in with Facebook, tap the Continue with Facebook button and follow the prompts in order to connect to your Facebook account. Similarly, if you want to log in with King account, tap on Login with Email option and follow through the prompts. You can also log in using your Apple ID by tapping on Continue with Apple. I'm just gonna choose the Login with Email option. Now, when you end up in this page, if you select the email option, you will need to type down your email address and password associated with your King account. If you don't have a King account yet, tap the little green sign up button at the top right. If you have an existing account, type down the email address and password in the respective text boxes. After typing down the email, type in your correct password associated with your King account. After you are done, click on the Login button. You will then be able to sign into Candy Crush Saga with the selected option. Your game progress and purchases, if any, should sync automatically once logged in. If you are starting fresh, you can begin from the first level. So that's how you easily log into Candy Crush Saga in just a couple of steps. Now we will be learning how to log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. In order to log into Candy Crush Saga using your Facebook account, first of all, download and open the Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Soon after you end up in the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, tap on Retrieve My Progress. Now you will see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on the Continue with option under Sign Up with Email. Soon after you tap on the drop-down, you will see Continue with Facebook or Continue with Apple option. Simply tap on Continue with Facebook button and tap on the Continue button one more time. Follow through the prompts and sign in with your Facebook account's credentials. Tap the Continue button to end up in Facebook.com website and follow through the sign-in process. If you've previously logged into your same device on a Facebook app, then you can simply tap on this little open button and you will then be able to see this interface where you need to allow access for Candy Crush Saga to connect to Facebook by tapping on Continue button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to connect Candy Crush Saga with your Facebook account. But remember that if you haven't previously logged in on the same device, you will need to enter your Facebook account's email address and password. And that way you can easily sign in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook in just a couple of steps. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if you are not able to log in, make sure to check your Facebook account if it is active and that you are using the correct credentials. And that's it. That's how you easily do it. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how to accept friend request on Candy Crush Saga. Accepting a friend request in Candy Crush Saga is easy. First of all, open up your Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Once you're inside the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, make sure that you are logged in with your Facebook account or with your King account. Once you're in this page, tap on the play button in pink. Once you're inside the main map section of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the little envelope icon at the top left. You will then see your request section. Here, you will be able to see lives received or requested inside the Lives tab. Tap on the friendship button and then all of the players that wants to be your friend will be listed on the page. To accept a friend request, tap on the blue tick right next to the friend request. After you tap the blue tick, you will then be able to add the friends to your friend list. The friend will now appear in your game. Go to the Friends tab and there you have contacts in Candy Crush Saga that you just accepted to be your friend. So that's how you easily accept friend requests in Candy Crush Saga. Now we are gonna be learning how to add friends on Candy Crush Saga. To add friends on Candy Crush Saga, follow the steps till the end of the video. Get started by open your Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Make sure that you're inside the home page after logging in with either Facebook or your King account or Apple ID. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the Friends button located at the bottom of the screen, and then from the Add section, you will be able to see list of players with similar progress as yours. To quickly add those friends, tap the Add button right next to their name, and you will be able to send friend requests to the person. Once the player accepts your friend request, you will be able to add them inside your friend list in Candy Crush Saga. If the person you are trying to add is not available in Candy Crush Saga yet, simply tap on the invite button in blue at the top. You can then go ahead and select one of the contacts in the pop-up or choose one of the social messaging apps you would like to send an invitation on. Choose applications like Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. and select a contact you would like to invite to Candy Crush Saga. After choosing the contact, tap on Send at the top right. Now you will be able to send the invitation link to the selected contact. If they join in with the help of your invitation link, both of you will be able to be friends in Candy Crush Saga. So that was how you can easily add friends on Candy Crush Saga. But if you are using a Facebook account to connect within the game, then once you have connected your Facebook account with Candy Crush Saga, all of your friends from your Facebook will also be added on Candy Crush Saga if they currently play the game. They will automatically appear in your Candy Crush friends list if their game is connected to Facebook as well. Now we will be learning how to ask for lives in Candy Crush Saga. To ask for lives in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, launch the Candy Crush Saga application opened on your device. Once you open up the application, get to the map section and then tap on the heart icon at the top left corner. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to see this pop up. If you want to ask for lives to your friends, all you need to do is to tap on the Ask Friends button in pink. Now you can select your friends that you'd like to ask the lives from. Simply tick on their profile section and then tap on Ask for Lives in pink at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, the selected friends will receive your request and can send you lives. The lives will then appear in your game's inbox when sent. So that is how you can easily ask for lives in Candy Crush Saga. Now we will be learning how to change your email address in Candy Crush Saga. To change the email address associated with your Candy Crush Saga, you'll first need to be logged in with your King account on Candy Crush Saga. Open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device and log in with your King account's credentials. Once you're logged into the main home page or the map page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings panel where you'll need to tap on My Account. Now, tap on the Edit button right under your email. Now in the Email tab, erase the current email and type down a new email address you would like to change to. After typing down your email, tap on Save Changes. Now, you'll need to confirm by entering your account's password first. Make sure to type in your King account's password on the next page to verify. Now tap on Submit. After submitting, you will then need to go ahead and verify your email. Go ahead and check your email service provider's inbox, and you will then be able to change your email address on Candy Crush Saga. Make sure to always verify your email changes to avoid losing access to your account. So that's how you change email address on Candy Crush Saga. Now I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Candy Crush Saga. To change your name in Candy Crush Saga, it depends on how you are logged in. First of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. After you're inside this page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. Now tap on the My Account option. Inside My Account, if you are logged in with your King account on Candy Crush Saga, you can simply go ahead and tap on the Edit button right under your email. Now, inside Edit Account Settings page, you will be able to see the nickname option. Go ahead and type in a new name you'd like to use or update to and tap on Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your Candy Crush Saga name. If you're using Facebook to log in with Candy Crush Saga, or if you're playing with Facebook, then your name in the Candy Crush Saga will automatically sync with your Facebook profile name. So that is how you can easily change your name in Candy Crush Saga. Now, in this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on your Candy Crush Saga application. To change your password or your login password on Candy Crush Saga, first of all, make sure that you open your Candy Crush Saga application and sign in with the help of your King account. Remember to be signed in with King account first, and once you are done, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner or at the bottom left corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on My Account. Now if you're logged in with your King account for Candy Crush Saga, you should be able to see the Change Your Password button. Tap on it and enter your current King account's password on the next page. Make sure to enter your password correct. Finally, tap Submit. On the next page, create a new password and enter it in the first tab. Make sure to create a password that is strong and secure. After typing down the new password, re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, tap Change Password, and there you have successfully changed your Candy Crush Saga account's password in just a couple of steps. All you need to do is to make sure that you are using the King account to sign into Candy Crush Saga in order to be able to change your password. That's how it's super easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.